Everything you've been told about human history is a calculated illusion. 12,000 years ago, according to mainstream textbooks, humans were nothing but primitive hunter-gatherers, Stone Age nomads. Buried deep under the soil of Mesopotamia lies an architectural anomaly that shatters this narrative completely. This is not just a temple. It is a massive, stone-engineered matrix built with sacred geometry so flawless it rivals modern quantum computing architectures. 3 of its oldest enclosures form a perfect equilateral triangle, an absolute impossibility for an era before the invention of the wheel, mathematics, or writing. Who taught them this hidden binary language? Why did they create a computing system out of megaliths only to deliberately bury it under thousands of tons of clean soil, sealing it away like a time capsule? A master key, waiting for a civilization advanced enough to decode it. Welcome back to Echoes of Legends. Today, we hack the matrix of time and unlock the cyber geometry of Göbekli Tepe. In 2020, archaeologists using geometric analysis discovered something terrifying. Enclosures B, C, and D were not built randomly. The center points of these 3 complexes form a perfect equilateral triangle. This requires a master blueprint. It requires complex surveying techniques that mainstream history claims didn't exist for another 6,000 years. Think about the implications. To achieve this, the architects had to know how to calculate scale, geometry, and spatial planning across vast distances before any known civilization. They weren't just chipping away at rocks. They were executing a complex mathematical algorithm into the very bedrock of the Earth. But the architecture is only the hardware. The true software is carved directly onto the pillars. Strange, low-relief sculptures of scorpions, vultures, foxes, and snakes. For decades, experts dismissed these as mere totems of wild beasts. They were wrong. Astrophysicists analyzed Pillar 43, also known as the vulture stone. By running the positions of these animal symbols through modern astronomical software, they discovered a chilling reality. The pillar is a cosmic calendar. It records a catastrophic comet impact that occurred in 10,950 BC, an event that triggered a mini ice age and wiped out an entire epoch of advanced humanity. Why limestone? Modern science knows that limestone is rich in calcium carbonate, a material that possesses strong piezoelectric properties under intense pressure. Under the right acoustic frequency, these stones don't just stand, they resonate. They store and transmit energy. On multiple pillars, we see the exact same mysterious handbag symbol found later in Sumerian, Egyptian, and Mayan cultures. Symbols of the gods carrying the literal tools of civilization. Was Gobekli Tepe a data hub? A hard drive made of silicon and limestone, built to survive a global cataclysm so that the next cycle of intelligent life could reboot? And then, the most mysterious act of all. They didn't abandon it. They didn't let time destroy it. Around 8000 BC, the builders gathered thousands of tons of soil and explicitly, deliberately, buried the entire complex. They put the machine to sleep. They turned off the server. They hid the codes until we were ready to look at the stars again and understand. The question is no longer how they built it, but who they were trying to warn.